sweet potatoes, asparagus sauteed with cranberries, grilled chicken breast, voila, the finishing. Yeah, we'll call it healthy eating. So asparagus with sauteed with cranberries, sweet potato with a little sprinkling of cinnamon powder and a little honey, and chicken breast grilled with salt and pepper and sitting, what you call it, olive oil. Yeah, I'm gonna just put a little bit of pineapple bourbon sauce on the rest of it, and of course you have to have your grace pepper. A dinner, we call it healthy eating around here.